Hi and welcome again to my studio. Today we're going to be looking at granny squares. I have made 3 here. They're each made with the same double knit yarn and the same hook size. I've used a 4.5mm. Just wanted, before we get into the tutorial, to just have a look at some of the different ways that I've come across granny squares being made before. So this one here has 2 chains in the corner. There are no chains in between the clusters, and this is basically what will be in the tutorial. This is a granny square again with 2 chains in the corner. This one has 1 chain between each of the clusters. As you can see, it's slightly more airy, there's slightly more bigger gaps. And finally, this one has 3 chains in each of the corners and 2 chains in between each of the clusters. The gaps between each of the stitches are quite large, so it is quite airy. You'll have to comment, tell me which of these granny squares you prefer the look of. We're first going to be creating a slip knot on our hook. I'm sure you've seen lots of different ways of making these. This is probably a more unique way. I do have the explanation on what I do on my basic crochet stitches video. So we're now going to chain 4, going to yarn over and really gently pull through our hook to create 1 chain, and we're going to create 3 more. Bit of a struggle there. Now we're going to create a ring. We're going to create a slip stitch into that first chain. So hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through a loop. I'm going to pull that loop through the loop already on the hook. When we work our stitches for this, we're just going to pop them inside of the ring. Just going to locate that. I hope you'll be able to see that little gap that we're going to be working into. I'm going to start by chaining 3. These 3 chains will count as a stitch. And we're going to work 2 treble crochets into the ring. A treble crochet equivalent in the US is a double crochet. So begin by yarning over, insert your hook into the ring and pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. We're going to do that 2 times. And then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work 3 more treble crochets into the ring. When those are worked, we're going to chain 1 again. And work another 3 treble crochets. We now have 3 sets of 3 treble crochet. And we're going to chain 1 and do our final set of treble crochets. Chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. For the next round I am not changing colours, so I'm going to create a slip stitch into the next stitch and a further slip stitch into the stitch after, and then I'm going to slip into the chain 1, and I'll have my hook positioned then for the start of round 2. For round 2 we're going to start with a chain 3. We're going to place another 2 treble crochets into the chain 1 space. I'm now going to chain 2. I will be chaining 2 now in each corner. Place 3 more treble crochets into the same space. And I'm going to move over to the next chain 1 space, and I'm going to work 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. I'm going to work another 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet into the next 2 chain 1 spaces. I will then slip into the top of the chain 3, and I will show you how we'll be changing colours for the next round. If you are working in the same colour for your next round, slip along as before. Alternatively, we're just going to snip the yarn. We're just going to pull up that long tail that we have, yarn over, and pull that through the loop and all the way out to fasten. I have turned my work here. I do like to turn my granny squares after each round, just keeps that central point nice and straight. Going to attach our new colour. Just going to hold that to the back of my work. I'm going to yarn over and pull through a loop. Going to chain 3. As before, this will count as a treble crochet. Just going to hold that tail. I'm going to crochet over that just to secure it before weaving in later. So yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2 for your treble crochet. Be chaining another 2 as before and completing another 3 treble crochet into the corner space. We will now be working along the side of our granny square to the gap. We're going to work 3 treble crochet. We've not made a chain here, but in some patterns you will need to. Again, we're not chaining, we're just going to yarn over and insert our hook into the corner chain 2 space and work our corner 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. When those are worked, we're going to complete this side as before, just working 3 treble crochet into the space and moving on to our corner, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. Repeat the sides and the corners until you reach the end and place a slip stitch into the beginning chain 3. I've now completed that round. I'm going to turn the work again and I'm going to begin our corner with a chain 3, 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. I'm going to move into the next gap for 3 treble crochet, the next gap, and then back into my corner. I'm going to repeat that around. Have our 4 round granny square. For additional rows, we're going to do the same. We're going to work our corner spaces, and then each round will have an additional space to work those 3 treble crochets. Over on my Ko-fi page, I do have a free PDF for you to download. If you'd like to have a look at my bio, the information on my page is there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for future tutorials and videos.